further away I fall, floating along like something large. Sky turns heavy, echo still, everything quiet like it will. You stop moving, hold your place, feel it shift around your space. Another road comes lower now, closer than before somehow.